Hi guys, today is part 1 of my lip sync tutorial. In this video, we'll set up a full mouth turnaround so your character can talk. I'll share my tips, tricks, and overall approach. Let's go! Step 1. Character. First, of course, you need to create your character. All the elements should be on separate layers and neatly grouped. I already have my character ready. I drew this on my second channel, Sketch Happens. Link in the description. Check it out. Step 2. References and approach. For lip syncing, it's important to gather good references. I usually look on Pinterest. There are lots of collections with different styles and angles. Most templates are pretty universal, but today I'm making my own turnaround, which I think is more flexible for animation. I pick a few pictures to guide me as I work. Step 3. Grouping sounds. You may have already noticed you don't need a different mouth shape for every sound. Sometimes several sounds look the same, so let's break them into groups. I'll share my grouping chart for free on Patreon. Every reference groups things a little differently, so I made my own version. Let's look at each group. The simplest group, the mouth is just closed. Then, teeth together, mouth stretched sideways. Next, voiced consonants, mouth rounded, teeth together. Special for H. Another group, lower lip tucked in. Next, mouth open and rounded. L deserves its own group, mouth open, tongue visible. Combo group, mouth stretched sideways for I, but I put them together. Next, mouth opening varies slightly, but grouped. Mixed group, lips pursed. Last group, like the previous one, but mouth opens wider. That gives us 11 groups total. Step 4. Prepping your character. Now let's look at your character. To articulate different sounds, the mouth will have to move. Find where the teeth are. It helps build the shape and will make future animations smoother. You can even sketch a quick skull as a cheat sheet. This helps a lot. Step 5. Drawing by group. Now, with those 11 groups, use your reference and draw the mouth for each sound. Make sure to use the skull sketch as a guide. Important. Don't make differences in mouth width and height too extreme. Otherwise, your animation will look choppy. Draw each variation on a new frame. Here are the examples I made. What do you think? Pro tip. Don't stick to just one mouth pose per sound. I do 2 or 3 for each to add smoothness. The sound can stretch and the animation looks more alive. I'm sharing my grouping chart and references for free on Patreon. You'll also find resources from my other tutorials. If you want early access to lessons, animation source files, or my full character sheet, you can become a sponsor. Your support helps me make better tutorials. What's next? In the next video, we'll get to part 2, animating lip sync in ToonSquid. I'll show you how to use this in your own projects for streamlined results. Thanks for watching. I can't wait for your questions and ideas for new lessons. See you in the next video.